Our next area to explore is called brand boards. And you would go to settings, and that's all the way towards the bottom, brand boards. And you can see I have one created here for premium websites. I can create as many brand boards as I want. So if you have more than one business you're running through here, you can create that in here. What a brand board does is it takes your logos and your colors and your fonts, and it associates them to your brand. That carries through on the websites and the funnels and the blogs. Makes it a little bit easier to integrate and keep your colors consistent. So let's just go ahead and look at what's in here. So I can edit this board. And over here, you can upload two logos. So this is my colored logo that I use almost everywhere. And then I have a pure white logo that I use whenever it's a dark background. And that's why you can't see this, is because it's white. But that is right here. Then in this little tab right here, you can put in your colors. And you can put in as many colors as you want. And then here is your fonts. You label it up here, and that's it. That's simple. It shows exactly here what I have chosen. This is my brand board for premium websites. And it will be available again when I'm creating, using the website tool, using the funnel tool, adding blogs, all of that sort of thing.